Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and today we just received the Whill Model Fi. Whill is known for making some of the most robust power wheelchairs on the market that are designed for travel. This is the first one that Whill makes that is able to fold as opposed to being disassembled like the Model Ci or the Ci2, which we also have back here. The differences between the Ci2 and the folding obviously is that the Fi folds. And also the Fi does not have the omnidirectional wheels. It's also a little bit more limited in terms of you can't really upgrade the seat size. The seat size is one standard size. With the Ci2, you can actually get different size seats, and you can do a lot more adjusting with the Ci2. The folding models, whether it's a scooter or a wheelchair, lack a lot of comfort adjustment features because they try to design it in the most minimalistic way to save on weight. And this is definitely a very lightweight power wheelchair. We're going to put the specs on the screen as we go through it, but I just wanted to give you a demonstration in 360-degree video format. So that means if you're on a smartphone and you're watching this video on YouTube, you can actually just take your phone and move from left to right, point up, point down, and the camera angle of this video will change. You might also see Chuck, our cameraman behind us, smiling at you. We have Eric here, and we're just doing a general demonstration of how this chair works today. So again, if you're on a camera phone or a smartphone, you can change the viewing angle. If you're on a desktop or a laptop, just click and drag from left to right, up or down to change the viewing angle of this video at any time. Without further ado, let's get started. So first thing I want to show you is how to fold and unfold the chair. There's a neat little kind of a stepping block here on the back. It's a little tab that you want to put your foot on. And then here on the right-hand side, there's a button or a tab. You push that tab and the chair kind of just begins to unfold, and when you hear it click, it's completely unfolded. To fold it back up, you want to put your foot there again, get that same tab, do that action, and listen for that click. Now it's locked in. So I'm going to put it back into the unfolded position, put the seat up, and I want to show you the battery is back here. There's a charging port which you can lift up that little cover for it. And the battery charger, like most, has a little light, indicator light to show you the status. There's 4 pins. Line up the pins with the holes, plug her in, and you're going to notice that this light turns from red to blinking green. What's pretty neat about this battery is that you can charge the battery both on board and off board. So you don't have to have your battery in the chair to charge it if you have a spare battery. To take the battery out, there's a little lock button which you'll want to push with your thumb, and it spring loads it out. Put it back in, just listen for that click, and you know it's in there. So I'm going to put the charger out of the way now. On the dash here, I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button. As you can see, the joystick is a little bit unique. It's not like most where it's just a standard joystick. This is more of an ergonomic one. I'm going to go ahead and flip up the foot plate. As you can see underneath, there is a little storage area. It's a little mesh basket to put your belongings. We've got the user manual in there. And I'm going to go for a ride. We're going to take it on a little ride through the plaza just to see how it performs. And got the foot plate lifted up. Going to sit down, push the foot plate down, and I'm going to ask cameraman Chuck to pass me the camera so we can start our ride-along adventure in 360-degree format. Remember, you can see in every direction. So right now, I'm using the joystick with my right hand. Keep in mind, you can switch it to the left hand, no problem. And you have, on the LCD here, it says 41. That means the battery is 41% charged. You can increase the speed from speed mode 3 to 4, or go all the way down to speed 1, which is very slow. I'm gonna head up to speed 3, and we'll go for a ride. Now I'm just going to take you on a general cruise just to show you how smooth it is, how responsive it is. It does fit through doorways very well. And I've got my mom with me today here. Say hi, Mom, behind us. She's helping us out with some video production today. And as you can see, it's coasting along pretty good. I'm going to move the speed up to speed 4. And now we're moving pretty good. So all in all, you know, this is, in my opinion, one of the most advanced folding power wheelchairs on the market. One of the features that we haven't really discussed about it is that you can use an app on your phone to remotely lock this power wheelchair for security purposes. So if you wanted to park it outside of a store and leave it, you could actually choose to lock it remotely with your mobile app, and that will ensure that it doesn't get ridden, or that, you know, if you're at home and you don't want the little ones to jump on it and use it, you can lock it. Pretty neat feature. And something else that you can use that feature for, the mobile app feature that is to control the power wheelchair remotely. So that's right, you can actually move the power wheelchair. Let's say you're getting onto the couch and you want to move the chair out of the way. Once you're on the couch, you can use the app to bring the chair to a different location and get it out of the way. If it's in a bedroom and you want to get onto the bed and then move the chair out of the way so that others can move around the bedroom freely. Sometimes in smaller bedrooms with a big bed, it's kind of difficult to move around if there's a chair in the way. So that's basically the two main benefits of the mobile app. And honestly, it's just very smooth, very responsive, super comfortable, super lightweight, easy to travel, easy to work with. It does have a diagnostic feature in the app, which will allow dealers like us to remotely identify what's wrong with the power chair, which is a huge benefit. All in all, we highly recommend the Whill folding power wheelchair model FI for anybody that's looking for something that's easy to travel with, lightweight, and dependable. We offer this power wheelchair and all other power wheelchairs for sale tax-free. Shipping is free at mobilitydirect.com, or visit one of our many locations. We have non-commissioned sales experts ready to take your call to answer any questions that you might have. You can also visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, to request a free catalog. There's a green button on the top of the page that basically just says free catalog, and if you click it, you can fill out a form and a catalog will reach your mailbox within 5 to 10 business days in most cases. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Please don't forget to like this video. Put any questions that you might have in the comments section below. And if you want to get notified when new videos come out just like this one, go ahead and subscribe and enable notifications by clicking that bell icon. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.